Welcome back to my channel. A little vs little difference. These words are used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, those nouns that we cannot count. For example, like milk and money. We cannot count these nouns. These are uncountable nouns. Examples: I want a little milk. That's mean I want some milk. I have a little money. That's mean I have some money, not much. She has a little water. That's mean she has some water. A little means some but not much. These are uncountable nouns. Milk is an uncountable noun. Money and water. Little, that's mean nearly nothing. Look at these examples. I have little milk. That's mean I have nearly nothing milk. I have little, that's mean nearly nothing. They have little water. That's mean they have nearly nothing water. She has little time. She has nearly nothing time. So these are uncountable nouns. A little means some. Little means nearly nothing. I have a little rice. That's mean I have some rice. I have little rice. That's mean I have nearly nothing rice. A few vs few difference. These words are used with countable nouns. Countable nouns, those nouns that we can count. For example, eggs. We can count 1, 2, 3. These are countable nouns. And teddy bear. We can also count toys. These are countable nouns. A few, meaning some but not many. Example: there are a few eggs in my bag. That means there are some eggs in my bag. There are a few candies in my pocket. A few, that means some candies. There are a few trees in my garden. A few, that means some trees. Few, nearly nothing. Look at these examples. She has few books. That means she has nearly nothing books, no more. He has few eggs. That means nearly nothing. A little and little. These are used with uncountable nouns. A little, that means some, but not much. Little, that means nearly nothing. Example: I have a little milk. That means I have some milk. I have little milk. That means nearly nothing. A few and few. These words are used with countable nouns. A few, that means some but not many. Few, that means nearly nothing. Examples: I have a few eggs. That means some eggs. I have few toys. That means nearly nothing toys. I have a few milk. This is incorrect because milk is uncountable noun. The right is I have a little milk. I have a little eggs. This is incorrect because eggs are countable nouns. The correct is I have a few eggs. That means I have some eggs. I hope you love this lesson. Now you have learned how to use a little and little, a few and few in sentences or in your conversation. Keep studying. So click up the I button and learn more English grammar and confusing words. Check this out right now.